Hello, I am Ranjit Pradhan, your mathematics teacher. Today I will discuss practical geometry. Okay, today mainly I will discuss on how to draw 90-degree angle. Okay, how to draw suppose 60-degree angle, how to draw 45-degree angle. Okay, first draw a straight line. Okay. In this way, first draw a straight line. Okay. Next, draw an arc of any length. Okay. In this way, draw an arc of any length. Okay. So, with the help of same arc length, okay, put your compass here, and cut here. Okay, again put your compass here and cut here, also the outside here cut also, and with the same arc length just put your compass and cut this. Okay. So, next join these 2 points. Okay. Next join this point and this point. Join this point and this point. This. Okay. Then this angle will be the 90-degree. Okay. Today we are discussing construction. Okay, and this is the part of class 8 also, construction. Okay, actually this is the part of class 8, and this is angle 90-degree. Okay, this is angle 90-degree. So, in this way we can draw 90-degree angle. Then how can I draw 45-degree angle? Just if I bisect, because we know 90-degree divided by 2, this will be 45-degree. Okay, this will be 45-degree. Okay, so if I divide this, if I bisect this angle, then this will be 45-degree. Okay, so how can I bisect? Suppose put your compass here and draw an area arc in this way. Okay, also put your compass here, then cut this. Okay, then just connect these 2 points, then this will be 45-degree. Okay, this will be 45-degree angle. Okay, this angle will be 45-degree, also this angle will be 45-degree. Okay, also see here, if I connect this point, and this point, this angle will be 60-degree. If I connect this and this angle will be 60-degree, this angle will be 60-degree. Okay, also this angle will be also 60-degree. Okay, so now I want to draw 60-degree angle, 30-degree angle and 15-degree angle. Okay, angle 60-degree. Okay, so how can we draw a 60-degree angle? First draw a line in this way. Okay, then just put your compass at any point. Okay, and draw an arc. Draw an arc in this way. Okay, with the same draw here. Okay, so if I connect this point and this point, then this will be 60-degree angle, then this will be 60-degree angle, this angle will be 60-degree. Okay, and if I bisect, because 60-degree divided by 2, this will be 30-degree. So if I bisect this angle, in this way, okay, then put your compass here and cut it. Okay, then just connect these 2 points, then we will get 30-degree angle, then we will get 30-degree angle. Okay, so this angle and this angle is 30-degree, also this angle will be 30-degree. Again, if I bisect this angle 30-degree, then we can find out the angle 15-degree. Suppose just put your compass here. Okay, again put your compass here. Okay, so then if I connect these 2 points, then we will get, so this angle will be 15-degree. Okay, so similarly, if we divide again 15-degree, bisect this angle 15-degree, so then we can find out 7.5-degree. So in this way we can find out easily 90-degree, 60-degree, 45-degree, 30-degree, 15-degree, 22.5-degree, 7.5-degree. Okay, thank you, and just give a like, share and subscribe, then I will motivate, then I will prepare more videos. Okay, thank you.